Hi, to change theme for always on display on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first tap, open settings and go in the wallpapers and style. And now on the top of the screen we can see this always on display section. So firstly, enable it by tapping on the switcher, and now we can go in the second tab and here enable to show music info. And now that is how it will look. In the more display setting, we need to go in the display mode and switch from the all day to power saving or to scheduled one. In the scheduled, you will be able to select time from and time to, or you can enable the power saving option. And don't forget to save the changes by tapping the done button. So now you can also enable or disable to show new notifications just by tapping on the switcher. And after that, we can change the theme. So here you can see the personalized ones. So you can download Bitmoji application, for example, or you can go in the canvas and choose a photo from the album or just take a photo right now. You can check the custom patterns, so you can draw something here and that is how it will look. You can also change the color. And if you would like to save it, you can just tap the done button and that is how it will look. You can apply it immediately or we can check other options, for example the text one. So you can just type in something here and that is how it will look. And the same goes for the text and image, but here we can add an image as well. Or as another option, you can just choose one of the system always on displays. For example, we can select this homeland and here just select this Nemo fish. And also we can change the color for the time and save the changes by tapping this apply button. And let's test it. So that is how it looks now. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.